Haha, yeah, I'm feeling real silly right now, son. Right in this particular moment. Hey yo, I ain't waiting for that man to colonize. Quick to the stone and won't apologize. Drama King Solomon, Song of Songs, Scandal de Loca, Dotted Ramadan, a firearm long. Checking my name written by Viacom, sex from night long. Skirting the whip to the tire, gone aesthetic, frost pathetic. All you niggas singing the lost, get it. You better call the medic when I pull up with the weapon, sliding like George Chesson. Son, you lying niggas like George Jefferson. Effortless excellence, headspins. Got a Rican mommy in the room resting. She got the proper noggin, it's no question. Pedestrian sweating them. Processes your penny, liquids elliptic, I'm Fitch Couture. Emptying the weapon before you get to yours. Metal net vision, Egyptian tours. Lifting doors on the beamer. Stacking money green to pass me, bro, stick to yours. Niggas musta got the word that the tapes are hitting stores. It surely wasn't making us a lot, but their face hit the floors. Yo, pull the schooner over forbidden shores. We earning chips galore. Yo, I'd rather fuck with my man Franklin, cause he gets it raw. He'll hit you with something to twist your jaw. Niggas is fit for war. I was sessions with a seductress. I'm paving the road to riches in abundance. Nunchuckle niggas numbness, gunsmith. Pack of the piff is purplish and punchy. Shining on you niggas getting redundant. The 100 become the 100, pulling up in the hundreds. Leave a dirty nigga dead in the dungeons. Prepare the lunches, I'm punching the nigga in the face till he can't function. Yo, turn the powder to rocket chopper for your consumption. Fuck these niggas and they assumptions. Got a beautiful Bayesian bitch, she blushing. Banging with the bone of the blood rush. Competition get dusted. Feds run up in the flat, then I'm flushing. Coming with the proper drug traffic production. You took the work, that's the shit that you stuck with. Spilled the coffee on the carpet, get your mug split. I ain't even talking no tough shit, I'm talking the value of possessions. I ain't the nigga that run his lip, gun on the head. Drop the work like a ton of the bricks, nigga. You know, ton of the bricks. Just drop it like pow, shit. Splash, nigga. Hey yo, glide the longboat over forbidden shores, earning chips galore. I'd rather fuck with my man Franklin because he gets it raw. With a bad bitch getting jaw. It's in the back seat of the whip. Skin straight jawline, nigga. You know, had to do the right thing, you know what I'm saying? Pull up, you know, skirt the whip over real quick, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna cause an accident or nothing. You know, Shorty Dome is extravagant. You know, I just had to share that. You know, so I'm channeling this energy, my nigga. You know, it's snack man, snack time. You know, it's fly superiority right here.